Hi guys, so I've had my full 1 month checkup with my bariatric center, and they require 3 months of checkups, 3 consecutive months of checkups before they qualify you for bariatric surgery of losing weight. And this month I lost 13 pounds, so I'm really proud of myself. Congratulations to me. I'm very excited and proud. Um, my BMI has gone down a little bit. Um, they want me to increase my protein, and they're going to set me up for my lab work, for psychiatry, for my pulmonary clearance, and my sleep study, which is coming up. So I'm doing all of that and wanted to check in with you guys. It's been a month since my last video, and didn't know if you guys would have any questions for me since it's been a month, and I wanted to check in with you all. I've changed my diet a lot. I have quit caffeine completely, which they wanted me to. I'm not a smoker, so that's not a problem for me. I don't drink alcohol, so that's not a problem for me. I've changed a lot of what I eat. I've cut back on potatoes, rice, noodles, a lot of the carbs, and intake more of my protein. But they have an app to where you can log what you eat, and they want me to up my protein. And so I need to work on that. My water intake is good because I strive to do about 64 ounces a day. So I have a big water bottle here, and it's about 64 ounces. So that's really good, and they're proud of that. I've started working out on my bike. I have a bike that I put in my house that I showed you guys last time, and I do that about 3 times a week for about 20 minutes. And so that's really good. I can't walk, but I'm getting shots in my back coming up here soon that will hopefully give me some relief in my back to where I can walk, and then that will be nice and get some exercise that way because the weather's starting to get nicer. And next Sunday is Spring Forward Sunday, so time change Sunday, so that will be nice. Hopefully the weather will spring as well, because the groundhog didn't see his shadow, so so hopefully it will be nice. So they have a support group that I'm going to be joining, and a Facebook group that I'm going to be joining, and a Zoom group that they want me to go to at least once a month. At least once, they said, but it's once a month. And I'm going to do that, and so that gives you some good support. So I'm going to be doing that, and get some good knowledge. And they said that people in the group have gone through the surgery and are getting ready to go through the surgery, but the most contributors are the ones that have gone through the surgery, so they know what it's like to have gone through the surgery. So that would be good to get information from them and ask any questions from them on what it's like. My most hesitant part of the surgery, I think it is the puree section of the diet of the surgery after surgery. But she kind of put my mind at ease because she was saying you could eat scrambled eggs, cottage cheese, which I'm not a fan of. But maybe if I mix it with the eggs, the cottage cheese kind of melted in, because that would be high in protein. deviled eggs if you chop it up. She said you could do that. Yogurt, protein shakes, but that's for 2 weeks. So that can be kind of daunting because you're just eating the same things over and over again. So that can be kind of daunting. But they want you on that liquid diet right after when your stomach's healing from all the surgery. So that's it for now. I just wanted to do a quick update and keep you informed of what's going on. I hope you have enjoyed today's video. I hope you give it a thumbs up and share it with whoever might be going through a similar surgery, and keep it as a community because we are a community. If you have any questions, please type them below. I would love to communicate with you and talk with you about it. So bye for now, and we'll talk soon.